welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorchelle. If you are new, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to this channel because it is always lit over here. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I have for you guys a Hermes unboxing. Super excited. We got a little something from Hermes. So I'm going to run you guys back a little bit of the backstory of this purchase. So I really wanted this Hermes item before my trip to Greece. I recently went to Crete, Greece, had an amazing time. Watch out for the vlog. And I was supposed to pick up these shoes before the trip. However, I got carried away. A lot of things were going on. I knew I wanted to go in store to try them on because sizing, I heard that they could run small. Like, you just want to go into the store to try to make sure you got your right size. And luckily, I did wait to go into the store to try them on because the size I would have gotten would have been too small. So anyway, I wanted to get them before my trip because I was like, I need these shoes for my trip. But fast forward, time went on, I did not pick them up. It's like, maybe I'll come across one at the airport when I land in Greece. Maybe they'll have a store. I don't know. Maybe I'll just get lucky. So the day of my flight, I go to the lounge. I was at the Lufthansa business lounge and I was like, okay, you know, taking my time, you know, eating, drinking, having a good time, blah, blah, blah. So it's about like 10 to 20 minutes before boarding. And we're like, okay, let's head to the gate. On my way to the gate, it was like golden lights, like, ah, the Hermes store, okay? The Hermes store was there. I was like, stop lying. I was flipping out. I'm like, this was meant to be, okay? So I went into the store and I asked the sales associate, I'm like, do you have these sandals in a size 39? And she was like, let me go and check. Okay, girl, she bought them out. I tried them on, they did not fit. So she came out and gave me a size 41. And I'm typically a size 9, US 9, so my equivalent to European sizes is 39, but I know sometimes European sizes can run a little small, so technically a 40, 30 to a 40. Girl, I had to get these in a 41, and I couldn't believe it. And when she was like, oh no, they fit. I'm like, girl, I know you just want the sale, because I don't think they had a 40, but she was right, they fit perfectly. So I was able to get these shoes for my trip. I quickly did the transaction, hopped on my flight, okay, and headed off to Greece. It was like so amazing, unexpected. I only wish I was able to spend more time in the store, but I'm literally yapping. I'm like, I know what you guys all came for, to see what's in the orange box, so let's open her up, okay? And the box, the bag and the box both got damaged through transit because I had a layover in Germany, so it's not as pristine, but I don't care, okay? Because I got what I was looking for. So this is the box. Like I said, it did get a little damaged in transit, but let's open her up. If you guys already haven't guessed, I got the Oran sandals in a size 41. I absolutely wanted these shoes for such the longest time. So when you open it, you have dust bags for both of the shoes, and so you just take them out, and one sandal per baggie. Now they came with some really nice tissue paper, but these are a little too soft to keep the shape, so I put my own tissue paper in it to help better keep the shape. But y'all, I finally got the Hermes Orans in the gold color, which I've always wanted to get, and I absolutely love them. Like, look how stunning. Like, are you kidding me? And sorry if it doesn't look as pristine. Like, I wore the heck out of these for my Greece trip. Like, I wore them literally every single day. They're so comfortable. So they're a little worn in, but oh my, I love these sandals. So like I told you guys, I gave you a little backstory of how I got them. I got them at the airport. They're so beautiful. Again, I got the gold color. I love this color so much. It looks so good on my skin tone. I love it because it acts as a nude. You can wear this with so many different things. It has a beautiful, nice little stitching at the sides. As you can tell, it's like a lighter brown color or ivory stitching all over. Everything is leather. The sole is leather. The H monogram is leather. It has like a nice little heel Also, it has the Hermes Paris logo right at the footbed and has a little bit of a cushion. So it's not completely flat, which I really, really like. And then the back of these shoes look really crazy. It looks like I've had them for years, but literally just wore them for a week. As you can tell, I got the size 41 and it says Hermes engraved at the back. So, and it's also made in Italy. So absolutely love these slides so much. These slides, again, it has the H monogram in the front. Your feet just slide right in there. The quality is so good. When you first get this shoe, it is a little bit restricting, especially in the H part. That's why I wasn't really sure my size. I was like, 41, I would never wear a 41. If this stretches, I don't want the shoe to be super loose. But actually it fits amazing, like it fits nice, and I'm actually excited for it to get a little bit looser so that I can get a more comfortable feel. So this part will stretch out a little bit. So if it's a little fitted here, I think you're okay to proceed because it's supposed to get a little bit looser. The problem with the sizes I was trying on is my foot was hanging out of the platform of the shoe. So that's how I knew that, okay, it's probably too small. And the 41 fits my feet so perfect. Like it fits really nice. It's like a really good fit. They are extremely comfortable. Like I wore this every day basically of my trip, during the day, at nighttime for dinner. Like they're so comfortable. You just want to slide your feet in them, wear them all the time. Like absolutely comfortable. I did see girls were commenting about like how the shoes make a lot of noise. You can hear yourself when you're coming. That does not bother me at all. It's really not that bad. It's just such a great pair. It's super quality. Like the quality of these are amazing. Like I'm not gonna lie, like the quality is like top tier. I do have a little scuffing, a little wear and tear at the front parts of the shoe, but again, I was wearing this literally every single day and I was not babying these shoes at all. I was getting my wear, okay? So I was making sure to wear them. I plan on wearing them as much as I can. I also really want to get some more colors. I really want to get the white. I want to get the black. I want to maybe get a little bit of some pop colors, or maybe not a pop color, but like another neutral. Like there's this olive color. Okay, that shoe was seeing me. Like it's so nice. So I really love this shoe because it's a really nice basic. It goes with everything. It looks fantastic. It looks amazing. I would highly recommend buying these at the airport if you have the opportunity. I got this at JFK Airport Terminal 1. I highly recommend getting it at the airport because I got this for 10% off, okay? And tax-free, duty-free. So if you can get this at the airport, that's going to be your best bet. But I got this for 10% off, and then on top of that, it was duty-free. So the sales associate was telling me like, you're really like lucky to be getting it here because you're paying so much less than if you were to get it at retail stores, plus tax, all that stuff. But yeah, I really don't have any cons to say about these shoes, to be honest. They're all pros for me. This is such a beautiful shoe. It's so nice. I know a lot of people have it. It may be a little overrated, but I absolutely think it's worth it. Like I literally, like I said, wore it every single day. I got my wear out of it. Every vacation I go on, these babies are coming with me. Like I said, whether I'm wearing it during the day or at night, they literally go with everything. And when I was gonna pick up these shoes, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get the white. That's gonna be my first pair, the white, because white goes with everything. It's very vacation-esque, but I changed my mind to do the gold because I just felt like, again, it's like a nude on me, and I just thought I was gonna get more wear out of this nude color. I had another sandal that was doing the same thing as this, and I used to wear it all the time in LA, and that's when I knew like, okay, I need the Hermes slides in the gold color because it literally goes with everything. You don't have to worry about it matching because it really acts like a nude, at least for my skin tone. I absolutely love it. But like I said, I do want to get the black, I do want to get the white, and maybe some other earth tones because it's just like such a pretty shoe. It's so comfortable, it's so durable. Like this is like all you need. I feel like this is like an all-in-one kind of shoe, and that's why I really think it's worth the price. There are some like other replicas out there in the market, but I just really wanted the real authentic ones, and I'm literally obsessed. Like, look how gorgeous these sandals are. I absolutely love them. So I definitely think they're worth the investment, in my opinion. I think they're beautiful. Are they really worth what you're paying for them? I mean, it's a basic sandal. There's, like I said, there's so many replicas on the market. There's so many inspired shoes that are doing the same thing. You absolutely do not need to spend this much money on a pair of slides by any means. Like, you don't have to, but if you do, it's a nice little pair. Like I said, I think the quality is amazing. I think they fit great. I think they go with everything. To me, it was literally a no-brainer. Like it was the quickest purchase I ever made because I was like, I need these shoes and I can't wait to just get more colors and like expand my collection to wear for the summertime and when I'm on vacation, because these shoes are so cute. My biggest advice, I would say, if you're gonna plan on getting these shoes, definitely try them on in store. Like I said, I had to go up 2 sizes, which I was like, ain't no way. So I would definitely try these on in store if you have the opportunity. I do have a wider feet. Like the insides of my feet are slim, but the outer sides of my feet are a little wider. So keep that in mind. So definitely go into a store and try them on. That would be my biggest advice if you are looking to buy these shoes. Questions, comments, concerns, anything you want to know about the shoe, the fit, the quality, anything that I didn't touch on, please be sure to ask those questions below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, if you are not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel because it is always lit over here. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.